Hello everyone, I am Pupul Haikruzam. I teach English for classes 9 and 10. Hello everyone, welcome to English class. In our last class, we were reading the poem from Class 10 English Literature Reader, 3 Years She Grew in Sun and Shower by William Wordsworth. We have learned that the poet personifies nature as a mother. As a mother, nature takes the responsibility of nurturing and educating Lucy. Nature teaches Lucy with all her qualities. If we remember the last line we read, to kindle and restrain. Yes, this is last line of our last class. Meaning, Lucy will be taught with the power of inspiration and the ability to self-control. So that with these qualities, she would be able to govern and mold herself into a perfect being. So now let us continue today's class. She shall be spotted as the fawn that while with glee across the lawn or up the mountain spring. Hai ko. Aina papa matamda khoi stanza sa ngasagi line do khara punjal lakanda like one sentence in a paris ko. No su papa matamda you read like this, you understand more. Kari hari, she shall be spotted as the fawn. Hai fawn habdi kay na saji macha ayang dia na cha saji macha do na spotted abado masa king dana khoi gi chen chong dana sana bado adumai na Lucy sisu kay daw ni hai ko that while with glee across the lawn hai ko khoi sai gi labuk lamhang khoi gi lampak ki akoi beda ngasai gi saji macha do na while with glee extreme happiness yam harau ta yam bagaloi na chen chong dana sana bado adumai na yam active oiba yam energetic oiba magundo adu dusu kai Lucy da happy rani kanana happy deba nature na ko happy rani hare or up the mountain spring hai mana ko ngasai gi chingya da kakhatana ching mathakta kakhatana ngasai gi spring tai ising khong macha cheli ba ko phazaba mayam dubu witness story ba phazaba mayam duga loina riba experience story ba ngasai gi saji macha do aduga pangkhak oina Lucy masu magun mayam ama happy rakanda masu sportive and energetic ohengani hai ko nature gi magun se hap ka dawri bani mangonda. And hers shall be the breathing balm, and hers the silence and the calm of mute insensate things. And hers shall be the breathing balm. Breathing balm hai singa saigit mana the gentle breeze hai khoi nungsit nami ba habdo tap na ing na sit pa nungsit to adu sila pa matamda wara kanda isa sa lay ba matamda kay dawi ngasai gi the soft breeze nami ba nungsit to adu na sila pa yera pa matamda isa sa soothing oi ba yam nungai ba yam pothabo oi ba relaxing oi ba adu main taw na Lucy sisu kay daw ne ma sisu breathing balm oi do ni ma so ngasai gi nature gi part ni nungsit sin na ta breeze su part mo arabani na nungsit ki part nungsit se nature ki part arabana adu gi magun se Lucy da yaura ani Lucy na hayeng chawr pa mapung maray par pa matamda di masu kay daw ni adugumba magundo soothing adugumba magundo mangundo su yaura ni ko and has the silence and the calm of mute insensate things sai ko insensate habidi inanimate object habani ko unconscious oiba asagi nature da leibang asagi uwa uche waya adugumba hai leise nataba nature gi atopa saruk mayama malairi ba ko maron di thokja da ba nature gi saruk ba for example ngasagi leng da na lairi ba khoi gi nung do harasi nata leng da na lairi ba pochai mayam do makoi da tumin na leng da na wa amata ngang da na tumin na laira kanda makoi da gi su para amadi phongdora iba kari na makoi na phongdora isa the beauty of silence tumin na ing na chik na laibagi phazaba do adusu ngasagi inanimate object insensate things makoi da su yauri ba adugumba ngasagi the beauty of silence the beauty of being calm and mute tumin na chik na makon mawa thok ta na laibagi phazaba do adudu su kai Lucy da happy ga dori ba mana ngasagi saji macha do maina chen chong da na langi da na adugi langbagi phazaba ma adigi atopa man kari tumin na leng da na laiba do adugi phazaba ma siguma makhan gi qualities mayam se nature na Lucy da hapchin birani hare ko the floating clouds at their state shall lend to her. Hai ko floating clouds leichil do floating paira chatliba leichil do leichil ma se kana no nature gi saruk amani na cha aduna leichil ma se floating cloud se mana su kai do ni Lucy da their state shall land hai Lucy is the pig do riba mating pig do riba ko state makhoi gi oi riba phibam do kari na makhoi na oi riba se soft and calm ni ngasai gi ling da na mong ha da na tumin na sum paira ga leiba do adugumba softness oi ba nata ling da ba mong ha da ba adugumba magun da soft qualities makhoi gi asai gi the movement the gracefulness adu mayam se leichil sing se na su Lucy da happy ga do ri ko for her the willow bend hai willow se u pambi ni ko khoi gi usually English society da ni khoi da di leite khoi gi noina atopa reference book kumba picture kumba yeng bada su ugani ko willow tree se kai we have the graveyard mongpham da ne thaba pambi ni ko ngasai gi kana tombstone have the mongpham da ngasai gi maming kai ka thaba natra asai gi nungi ama yungi dana ko adugi yungi ba ngasai gi tombstone da adudugi mathaks da usually u se thar kan da manak sa horani adugi willow tree se magi howbi mawong se khoi u sing se masamran phando ga smana leng no pong na chaw da willow tree se ke dewe yam no luk pagi mong da bend tawe ba ko ma se no luk pa du mai na tawe ba ko aduna yam no luk pa du mai na amsai gi maru luk tharaga leiba do adu mai na oiba magi masak se aduna the willow will bend na mana haining se kai no harakan da u pambi do adudagi bend tawba ko maru luk thaba modest ba humble ba no luk pa se willow tree na Lucy da tambi do ni magun mayam si ko nature hare na ta natures na mama or badina mama mangon da yaw ba leichil hai lai u wa nungsit si mayam si gi magun tongan ba mayam se Lucy da mathang ha pa da willow tree de gi na mana kari tam da ba modesty ko adu tamani hare nor shall she fail to see even in the motions of storm grace that shall mold the maiden's form by silent sympathy hai man amukari har e amuk nonglei nushit lakpa matam da ko storm nonglei nushit ma se sukari tawe nature gi saruk amani ba natra nature gi saruk oriba nonglei nushit ma na lakpa matam da nonglei nushit gi na kari tam deriba gracefulness hai ko ma sa gi mawong marei ta ba phasa ba ko magi sahung sada sa yam phazaba sajat li cha yam phazaba asagi nonglei nu se magi aki akhang ne khoina kijai nonglei nu shit la e thong naw lon cha no kijai khang ba ngamroi hairaga su nonglei nu shit mai akan ba magi su magun namadi yauri bane ko mangonda magun namadi yauri bani mangonda gracefulness mangonda graceful ba magi magun nama top magun nama yauri ba adugi magun da adu su kari tam gani Lucy na tam gani ba storm se dai gi su nata adu tamani hari ba magun mayam se tongan ba qualities characters mayam se Lucy se da hapani aduga ma se maiden's form by silent sympathy hai ma se full matured oiraba ko maiden's form asadi child ni na cha angang oiramba do ma se 3 years katang oiba angang do maiden gi nupi macha ama leisabi mapung phaba leisabi ama do adugi mawong do semakadori ni hairiba magun mayam se hapakanda na mana hai ko aduna by silent sympathy have the in silence mangon nga sai gi manasi mayam se loina rakanda ko adi tungan ba nature gi tungan ba elements mayam se loina raba matungda hairiba mayam se gi magun makhan se mangon da changjal akanda ko tuminna eila eko haina tana tuminna mayam se loina mana loina rakanda mayam se gi magun mayam se loina changjal rakanda ma se maiden's form hai nupi macha mapung phaba nupi macha ma oirakadawini hai ko the stars of midnight shall be dear to her hai mana tam gadori ba mana loina gadori ba nature gi mayam se loibe naide ko amu kari ore nungdang ore pa matam da ahing nongyai midnight to tokpa stars thawan mi chak to mangon da su kai doni dear to her mangon maduna sune thawan mi chak maduna sune Lucy gi ne dear ogani special ogani Lucy gi tamak tama se guide amo ogani lusmana ne Lucy bu lamjing lam tak pi duna Lucy da mangon da magi oiba magundo adu su mo happy rani hare and she shall lean her ear in many a secret place where rivulets dance their wayward round hai ko rivulets hai di khoi gi turen ising khong macha hai bani khoi gi streams hai ba tare na cha ko and she shall lean her ear in many a secret place hai secret hai di aron ba hai bani na cha aduna secret place nature gi mapham khoi mayam na yoksan ba ngam da ba ko kanam ta na udriba khangdriba mapham phasa ba mayam am le ni chingya da lukya da phasa ba mapham mayam am lai ri ba mayam na di yoksan ba ngam da ba mapham sing do Lucy di kai daurani madi yoksan ba ngam mani ko madi nature gi macha oidarni nature na yokpi rabani na madi hairiba akhoi mayam na yoba ngam da ba secret ni hainari ba mapham sing do aduda Lucy di yorani yorakan sa mapham du da leiramba rivulets sing ngasai ising khong macha mayam adigi streams macha mayam duna thek na khoina chendhara kanda jagoi sabadugi matawgum dance sai se ko moina thek na khoina chendhagi bedune ba jagoi sabagi mawong dumaina moina thek na khoina chendhagi beda makhoi tigi tholapa magun mayam do adumu kai tawdaba Lucy na amuk tamza doriba lean her air habidi mana ngasai mafam da chatlani mafam da chatla kanda makhoi tigi tholapa sound makhoi na hairak pa takpirak pa tambirak pa lessons and para mayam do adu sing do mahuda chang ani mahuda tama ani hareko and beauty born of murmuring sound shall pass into her face aduna mana aduguma mafam da chatla kanda asagi murmuring sound hai murmur tabdi murumurung ngang ba habidi the murmuring sound habidi kaimta nate nature degi tholapa khonjel sing do ko ada khoi de hek kari habi gi mana huziki mamang sada rivulet sai asagi ising khong macha stream macha asna chen ba matam da ising ichel chen da bagi makhonjel ta bodo adugi khonjel se adugumba khonjel se degi mangon da asagi nature se gi tholapa khonjel ni dana sigumba khonjel sing na Lucy da changjal akanda kaidoni magi maithong sida ko phajaba mayam gi asagi physical appearance outer appearance katana tana magi manung gi oiba ko nung gi oiba magun mayam do he na loina ma hengal akanda magi maithong sa mami ta ba hora ani ha ko Lucy singa sai nature duna I'll make a lady of my own ha do ma sa ina loksel akanda nupi macha phajaba nupi ama laisabi mapung phaba mo ohengadau ni lady ohendoi ni hai gi bada adu so oirakpa matam da adu ina semakpa matam da magun mayam se loina mapan da thol ani loina ma urapa horani magi phajaba mayam do loina mak leirani na hai and vital feelings of delight shall rear her form to stately height her virgin bosom swell hai mana ko and vital feelings of delight hai vital feelings of delight have the lovely feelings happening ko the feelings of happiness and excitement harau tayamba nungai ba harau ba adu gi magun oriba adu gi feelings mayam phawrok pa mayam do adu mayam duna kaidorani ma se her form mas na sai nupi macha ma 3 years tang oiba nupi macha ma dagi lady ama mapung phaba matured lady ama matured girl oirapa matam do aduda mai ngasai gi magun mayam se yaurabani na madi kaidoni mana ko vital feelings of delight sai harau tayamba aphaba mayam mama mana takpi tambirakanda mayam do loksalabani na ne mana chaurpa matam dadi stately high yamna awang bathaki yamna magun leiba nupi habado madi oirani hai ko and her virgin bosom swell hadima sai nupi oirani nupi macha habado mapung phaba mature lady habado oirani magi physically natra amadi nang emotionally physically ko mai loina magi magun haibase loina mak big thana yaurakanda phajaba haibado oirani na hai such thoughts to Lucy I will give while she and I together live here in this happy dell anamana sai ko akoi ngasai digi as a speaker se nature se ne oini ko personify tor bin mana sum haire ini na nature said then nature said nature na ngang ba horakibani ko nature na wa se ngang ba horakibani aduna mana such thoughts sigumba thoughts idea sai ki walk alone habani walk alone se da loina mag yaure ko mana takpire iba tambire iba uhala iba phawhal iba kuding makse Lucy da happy doini ko karam kana kamaina no hap to se man ko while she and I together live here in this happy dell hai ko dell habe se khoi gi direct translation meaning the valley hai ko aduna ngasai gi aigi phampak tak ta aigi while she is on the lap of me aina mabu kolingai matam se da mabu aina naw kolingai matam se anam aiga maga leminaringai matam se sigi matam se da during this time during this period ko aiga loinaringai matam se da such thought sigumba magun mayam se aina Lucy se da happy rani na mana hari ko thus nature spake the work was done God thus nature spake has spake has spoke hai bani ko adun man the spoken the spoke ne mana hai gre nature jana hai gre sumain tau danna aina Lucy se da paramayam amatambi gani mabu takpi gani Lucy do ai gi icha oina losal lakanda aina mangonda aphaba magun mayam ma happy ni qualities values lessons si mayam se happy rakanda ma se a lady of stately height ko yamna magun laiba mayam na loina makna yengna ba singthana ba nupi habado aina sembirani hana nature sina hai ki hai ko the work was done nature na hai bado tawgre man hai aina Lucy se sembi doini icha oina losal lakanda ma se magi magun mayam ma happy doini hai the work was done hai ko the work was done hai nature na tawni habado tawgre kari no tawri se nature na Lucy se losan kreba ko magi tampak ta amuk hana losan gre pusan gre kari no next lines na khoi da harakani how soon my Lucy's race was run ให้ก็ Lucy กี race ให้ race ให้ไปดีกันเนาะ the race of life ปุ่นซีกีคงจัดต่ออดูดีกันดอร์ how soon was run มากีปุ่นซีคงจัดต่อมากีลำเจนต่ออดูดีลอยทุกครีให้แบบ Lucy เซ่ 3 years ขัดนี่ใจหิอุ้มขัดนี่มาในหิงมิเสกว่าอันนั้นใจหิอุ้มขัดหิงมิใจหิอุ้มขัดหิงมิมาข้าตาบดีกันดอร์ nature มาใน Lawson Gray the work was done nature มาใน Lawson Gray มากีมาเจ้าอวยนี่ให้นมาใน Lawson ละกันเนี่ยมากีมานักแต่ทำ Gray อดูน่าไต่บังปานสุดาอคุยกีอิรักตดีติลดรีให้นะป่วยจะเนี่ยมาข้าตารักปะก็อันนั้น how soon does nature speak last กี่สิลอยรักภาษาดนาการนานมุก speaker ไอ้เสียป่วยสิวันนี้ก็ป่วยจะน่ะกันเลยฮะเด้ does nature speak นะนะ nature จะเนี่ยสมัยน่ะให้เรามีมากี่ทับกตัวโตเร่ลูซี่ตัวย้ำภาษาบันนี้น่ะมันเราสันเกรลูซี่กี่ race was run ลูซี่กี่ race ต่อลูซี่กี่ปุ่นซีคงจะต่อลอยเกรไต่บังปานสุดาอคุยอิรักตามาลูซี่ดอเลยเทรอคุยอิรักตาตินบดายาวเร nature กี่มาจ้าอวยเครมาดีให้ก็ she died and left to me this heat this calm and quiet scene ลูซี่ซีเครก็ Lucy Secret died to a grey she is no longer with us นะจ๊ะอคุยกับอิรักตันเลยเจอดูบุเลี้ยมเฮารีปดสักอมาดิเลี้ยมเฮารีบก็ป่วยจะนี่ Lucy ดี nature กิสารุกโมเอรักจัดกระบันนี่ nature น่ะล็อกสันกระบันนี่ก็นังดีไอ้กี่โอ้ยกระดับบันนี่หาร์กล็อกสันกระบันนี่นะแต่บางพัมปักเสดียาวเรยาวกระบันนี่นะป่วยจะนะให้ก็มาดิล็อกสันเกรล็อกสันกระสุ Lucy น่ะกะรีกุมบะอมาดิทำปีรามีกะรีโนทำปีรามีเส this heat this calm and quiet scene นะใส่กิ Lucy น่ะเลยรำบะก็อดีมาสุจะฮีอหุมจะฮีคราดีอคุยอิลักตะเลยรำบันนี่นะมาน่ะเลยรำบะมาพัมสิงดอกอดูกิซีนอดูกิมาสักมวงดอกอดูขัดตันดิเลยเฮาเรให้ก็ฮีทาร์กดีคุยกิ empty โอยบะ a barren space นี่อดียิงอุบดาไม่ไกลยิงอุบดาอุบพัง Lucy กิมาสักอุบพังอะไรแต่บะอีหางบะมาพัมสิงก็calm and quiet scene อิชิกบะอีหางบะ Lucy ก็ได้โนนะยิงบะมาตำทีบะมาตำดะพังอะไรแต่บะอคุยบะกิสักตำก็อดูขัดตันนี่เลยเฮารีบะซีให้ the memory of what has been and never more will be ก็อดูงั้นใส่กี่อีหางบะนะจ๊ะอีหางบะสักตำเสซีกันลอยนะมากี่ memory มานะจะฮีหุ่มอคุยกันลอยนะรำมากันดามาเส lovely flower นี่มากุญยามเลยบันนี่ nature มานะบุกปามบันนี่ให้บะอดูกุมบะ memories ต่อ Lucy ก็อคุยนะลอยนะรำบะกี่นะจ๊ะอดูกุมบะมิกุบคารากี่งั้นใส่กี่นิ่งซิงบะทาวบักทาวรำคารานิ่งซิงบะวะให้คาราดออดูนัตนะ Lucy กิมารำดดีฮอซิกตีการีอมตะไลเทรให้ก็ and never more will be ให้แบบนั้นอมุขนาลาอร่อยดบะอมุขนาทกอร่อยดบะ Lucy ก็คุยกันลอยนะคิบะทาวดูคารานิ่งซิงบะทกปะดาเลยบะวะให้คารานะจ๊ะ episodes คาราดออดูนัตนะอโตปะอมตะดี Lucy กินี่ให้แบบนั้น Lucy กิมารำดนี่ให้แบบนั้นไลเทรให้นะมันก็ Lucy is lost forever she left behind only a trail of memories. So this is the poem 3 years she grew in sun and shower. As we have completed the poem, let us have a quick recap of the entire class including the first class that we had on this poem. In the poem 3 years she grew in sun and shower, William Wordsworth has personified nature as a mother. Nature takes Lucy as her own and teaches her with various qualities like how to be able to inspire others, that is to kindle, how to be able to self-control herself, that is to restrain, to be sportive and energetic like the young deer, to learn the beauty of silence from things like the insensate objects, and to learn modesty from the willow tree. And also from the storm, nature says that Lucy will be able to learn being graceful. So gracefulness is what Lucy will learn from the storm. Lucy now has become a daughter of nature, and so she will be able to reach to the places that are considered hidden. She'll be able to reach the secret hidden places from where she will be able to gain knowledge that enhances her beauty. And the knowledge, the beauty that she receives from these places, it will be reflected on her face. So this task of nurturing and educating Lucy was thus completed. Nature took Lucy with her after completing this task, the task of nurturing her. And Lucy dies at the age of 3. So the death of Lucy is considered as nature taking Lucy along with her. And after the death of Lucy, what was left to the poet? Nothing was left to the poet except for the empty places that was all around and the trail of memories of Lucy, of the memories that she left behind when she was alive for that beautiful 3 years. So only the memory was what was left with the poet. So with this, we end our class on the poem 3 Years She Grew in Sun and Shower by William Wordsworth.